All right, pictures on your screen right now of the former Delhi Chief Minister in a complete celebration mood today. The Aam Aadmi Party Supremo, National Convener of the AAP, Arvind Kejriwal, on his way to address the media. AAP workers are obviously celebrating this big development today with Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court giving a clean chit to former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on his way to the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. This celebration that has broken out within the Aam Aadmi Party, with the court saying there was no criminal intent and that there was no scam and that work was done. The CBI, of course, the investigating agency in this case, has moved Delhi High Court looking at this case and also exploring the legal options. Arvind Kejriwal celebrating along with Aam Aadmi Party workers. Amit Bharadwaj has the latest on that. Getting in more on that in just a few moments. We'll hear from the former Delhi Chief Minister. Of course, today he got really emotional. Amit was in tears. This is them now saying that we stand vindicated. We said so all this while that this is political witch hunt.
Sneha, in the past 3 years, I've seen setbacks after setbacks for Aam Aadmi Party and the Karyakartas of AAP. First, this ED case and the CBI case in the excise policy case of, where they were facing the allegations of corruption in making the new excise policy in the national capital. And after that, Manish Sisodia had to resign. He was arrested. Arvind Kejriwal was arrested. The top leadership of Aam Aadmi was nearly, virtually under jail. And after that, what we saw was Aam Aadmi Party lost the elections in the national capital. But today, they want to make the most of it, where Arvind Kejriwal is holding the gada, which has been handed over by Saurabh Bharadwaj, Deputy Chief of Aam Aadmi Party. And the AAP wants to make this ritual ceremony for the workers. Arvind Kejriwal now heading towards the Aam Aadmi Party's national headquarters, where he will be holding a press conference addressing the media for the first time after being discharged in this excise policy case. It's very important to note that the Aam Aadmi Party now believes that because the CBI case holds no ground, hence the ED case will also legally become invalid. We are getting you these visuals from Monday lane. The Aam Aadmi Party Karyakartas are beating the drums, on the top of their energy. And finally, there's a moment to celebrate for them, because in the past 3 years, AAP Karyakartas have only witnessed setbacks. Excise policy case filed by CBI, the questioning by the CBI, the questioning by the ED, Arvind Kejriwal's arrest, Manish Sisodia's arrest, the top leadership of Aam Aadmi Party virtually in the jail. Kejriwal and Sisodia had to resign, and eventually the fortress of Delhi was lost. But today, 2026, that picture changes, where now Aam Aadmi Party workers believe that they have a moral victory along with a legal victory to attack the agencies, the central agencies, because they had been saying that all the charges, lodged against their leadership were fabricated and politically motivated. And today, because the court has also underlined that there were no evidence against, material evidence against, be it physical or digital evidence against Arvind Kejriwal. And that's why you see charged up Aam Aadmi Party Karyakartas, Arvind Kejriwal, almost outside his national party headquarters, and from where in a few moments he will be speaking for the first time on the Rouse Avenue Court's order in which he has been discharged. And it is very important for our viewers to understand, it's not been acquitted, rather discharged, which means that the charges which were framed against, were to be framed against him today, those even did not hold any ground. The court did not find enough evidence even to frame Arvind Kejriwal and all accused in this excise policy case, and that's why they were discharged. So it is a big setback for the CBI, the Central Bureau of Investigation. Obviously, the CBI is all set to challenge the order of the lower court in the High Court. But having said that, Aam Aadmi Party also has a counter legal strategy, and that pertains to the ED case, which means that because the CBI case is not there, there is no ground to carry on the ED case. That's what the top sources of Aam Aadmi Party are saying. They are going to file an application for discharge of Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, and all Aam Aadmi Party leaders in the Enforcement Directorate case, in the excise policy case that was filed on the basis of the Central Bureau of Investigations case in Delhi excise policy case. So Arvind Kejriwal now enters Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, and he has been surrounded by the AAP Karyakartas who have come here in big numbers, short notice but big numbers, and certainly on 1st of March, on Sunday, you will see even bigger show of strength in the national capital, because Aam Aadmi Party had already slated its big rally in the national capital over to Gherao the Rekha government on 1 year of the Rekha Gupta government. But that entire narrative has gotten even emboldened, strengthened today because of Arvind Kejriwal getting discharged in the excise policy case, and Kejriwal is now stepping out of his vehicle inside the Aam Aadmi Party office. In a short while, he is set to address the media for the first time and to face questions. Rather, he will be even more charged up today to take those questions, more so because what he has been saying in the past 2 years is that where is the evidence? Where are the material evidence, the money, the physical evidence, the digital evidence to prove what the Central Bureau of Investigation was alleging? And that's exactly what has happened today. The court has underlined it. No physical evidence, no digital evidence, no proof of money transfer in the excise policy case that was filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation, and hence this charges were not framed against Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, as well as other AAP leaders. So all 23 accused in the case have been discharged today. That was a big setback for the Central Bureau of Investigation officers who were dealing with the excise policy case. And now the biggest question is what happens next to the ED case as well. But right there, first visuals from Aam Aadmi Party, where the AAP Karyakartas are dancing, enjoying the moment, celebrating. लंबे समय के बाद जश्न का मौका मिला.
देखिए, आज ही हमारे लिए होली है, आज ही हमारे लिए दिवाली है. जो केंद्र सरकार ने जो झूठे आरोप लगाए थे, आज कोर्ट ने उसमें ईमानदारी की मोहर लगा दी है.
लेकिन दिल्ली में सत्ता गई, सरकार गई, दुख है.
देखिए, अब तो ये कहेंगे कि आप बीजेपी वालों की उल्टी गिनती शुरू हो गई है.
Right there, the women Karyakartas dancing on the beats of the drums, which have been brought to the Aam Aadmi Party office, and Arvind Kejriwal is all set to address the media in some moments from now. That is to happen here, but we are bringing you the kind of celebrations that are happening at our office, and believe me, in the past 3 years we have not seen a moment besides the MCD victory, obviously, where Aam Aadmi Party had witnessed such charged up levels, the Karyakartas being so happy, dancing on drum beats, because it's all been about the excise policy case, the arrest, the questioning by the CBI, the ED, or Arvind Kejriwal not appearing before the ED. But today, all of that will be kept in history, and Arvind Kejriwal and his party will move forward saying that, look, whatever were allegations were made against us were politically motivated, and maybe they'll be also using a lot of statements that were given by the court today in that judgment. However, the Central Bureau of Investigation, the CBI, is all set to question the entire, the challenge, I beg your pardon, challenge the verdict of the lower court in the higher court. But on the other side, the Aam Aadmi Party, my sources have told within Aam Aadmi Party that they are also to move application in the ED case as well for discharge of Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia and AAP leaders in the excise policy case. Back to you.
All right, these are details Amit is sharing with us at this point in time. And we are staying with these images coming in of Arvind Kejriwal on his way to the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters at this point in time, is going to be addressing a press conference. Enthusiastic AAP members, workers of the party along with him. At the end of the day, These were the top leaders, Amit, who were in fact being told to be, involved in this so-called Liquorgate scam. And that's the reason why this moment really is being seen as something that the beleaguered party needed as far as its revival, especially after last year's defeat also in Delhi is concerned. This is the moment perhaps that the AAP needed, isn't it, for its political revival?
Absolutely right, Sneha. You had been on the ground, I had been on the ground during Delhi Assembly elections, and there was some sort of doubt even in the AAP Karyakartas about the case that was filed. So much of murmurs around and narratives going around about excise policy case, Sharab Ghotala. There was a moral question as well. There was a legal question as well. And how do you justify your party and your party leader? Because the biggest asset that Aam Aadmi Party had, that through which they differentiated themselves with all other parties, was a plank of imandari, kattar imandar chhavi of Arvind Kejriwal. And that image of Arvind Kejriwal was dented. Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, Saurabh Bhardwaj have gone inside the PC room where they will be addressing the media now. But I can certainly tell you these Karyakartas in Delhi and elsewhere in the country will now have an answer in response to the allegations of corruption that, look, we said that it was politically motivated.